Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, UPI keeps on evolving and two of the latest features, that is UPI Lite and UPI Circle, are aimed at making payments even more convenient for everyday users. UPI Lite is a simplified way to make small value payments instantly. So it allows you to make amounts up to 500 rupees without needing an OTP, and the transaction is processed directly from a preloaded wallet that is inside your UPI app. So this time you can load up to 2000 rupees at a time in the wallet. They have increased the limit. The biggest advantage here is speed. That is, the payments happen instantly without relying on the bank server each of the time. So this gives you added convenience as well. UPI Circle comes up next. UPI Circle is not just for splitting bills or managing share expenses like Splitwise. Instead, it is a feature designed to give selected people, that is your circle, access to your UPI account with limited or specific permissions like initiating transactions on your behalf with full control or partial control where you have to approve the transactions as well. In 2025, UPI Lite X was introduced, which takes a step further by allowing for offline payments using Bluetooth. So this means that you can even make payments without the internet or even mobile signal, making it extremely useful in low network areas like rural towns, trains or remote locations. It works using Bluetooth. So let us dive deeper into UPI Circle and see how things are turning out over there. So as we spoke earlier, UPI Circle is meant to simplify digital transactions within trusted groups by granting selected members either full or limited access to a UPI account. So instead of always handing over your phone or PIN to all the family members, you can directly add them to a circle. For example, family members and for domestic help or other employee related stuff, you can let them perform transactions under predefined rules. So here there are two main types of control which I spoke about earlier. The first one is partial control. Here the person can initiate the payment on your behalf, but you need the final approval, that is like a OTP or a confirmation just like you do from your phone. The second one is full control. Here the second person can directly make payments from your UPI account without any intervention, and you can set certain limits and so on and so forth. So this is very useful in many situations, such as elderly people adding a trusted family member in order to help them manage their digital payments. Then the second is parents allowing kids to make small online purchases. The third is business owners letting the staff make approved purchase payment without sharing passwords or any bank IDs as well. Fourth is house owners enabling househelp to pay specific utility bills as well. So the UPI Circle is still rolled out across several apps, and it may not be available in all UPI apps as of now. The last I know, it was available and showing notifications for Google Pay. When available, you will be able to manage who is in your circle, what permissions they have, and view their activity easily. If you wish to use this UPI Circle feature without waiting to get it on the UPI app which are using, you can directly download the BHIM app and get started out of the box. It is very easy and easy to get started as well. Both UPI Lite and UPI Circle are built to solve real life issues. It allows for quick and small payments without internet and trusted permission-based access to digital money. This shows that how UPI is adapting to India's day-to-day usage and in a smart, in a secure way. So, are you someone who is going to try out the UPI Circle feature? Well, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments below, and I will be happy to help as well. Thank you for watching.